Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best gadgets and accessories for your everyday needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fogilas Magic Pocket Staff, a fantastic piece that doubles as a magic prop and an impressive tool for self-defense. This versatile staff is not only a perfect addition to any magician's collection, but it also serves as a practical self-defense tool with its sturdy construction and quick deployment. Whether you're performing on stage or keeping it in your pocket, this staff is both a showstopper and a safeguard. Now, let's talk about what makes this magic staff so special. First, the magic appearing cane is designed for lightning-fast extension. With the simple flick of your wrist, it unfolds with ease, making it ideal for quick, dramatic reveals during performances. The metal construction ensures it's durable and long-lasting, while the high-speed spring mechanism allows for smooth action, whether you're performing street magic or stage tricks. One of the highlights of this magic staff is its size. When fully extended, it reaches an impressive 59 inches, offering ample length for a striking display. Despite its length, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry with you anywhere. This means you can always be prepared for a magic trick or even use it in an emergency for self-defense, thanks to its solid and powerful design. For those new to magic tricks, don't worry. The Fogilas Magic Pocket Staff comes with a comprehensive video tutorial to guide you through how to open and close the staff safely. The tutorial will ensure that even beginners can master it without the risk of injury. To add an extra layer of protection, the staff comes with a pair of gloves, preventing any finger cuts while handling. While this staff is fun and impressive for magic performances, it's important to note that it's made of metal, so it's sturdy and durable. That also means it can be a bit dangerous if mishandled, especially for beginners. That's why we recommend you watch the tutorial fully before attempting to open or close it. But once you've mastered it, you'll be amazed by how quickly and effortlessly it deploys. The Fogilas Magic Pocket Staff is perfect for any magician, performer, or even someone interested in self-defense. Its combination of utility and performance makes it a must-have accessory. Whether you're learning a new magic trick or simply want a practical tool for self-defense, this magic staff delivers both style and function. So, if you're looking for a way to elevate your magic game or add an extra layer of protection to your daily routine, the Fogilas Magic Pocket Staff is a great choice. Be sure to check out the video tutorial, get the gloves on, and start practicing to make your magic performances even more thrilling and secure. That's all for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.